Okay, you're looking at your list here. Next up is the handlebar switch housings. We're going to cover that and the handlebar clamps at the same time here. You're going to need a T25, and it's they're saying 35 to 45 inch-pounds on the switch housings. Pretty straightforward. You got a screw on the top and one here on the bottom. So go ahead and just check them, torque them to spec. Okay, pretty simple. Now for the handlebar clamp, T27, this is a little more crucial because, you know, if these bolts started backing out, you'd pull the clutch in, clutch wouldn't work properly. More importantly, if the master bolts started falling out, you wouldn't have a front brake. So I can see why they want to check that. Spec on that, they're saying 60 to 80 inch-pounds. We'll put it right in the middle. And you never know. I mean, people are always swapping handlebars on Harleys. So if somebody's touched the bike or you bought it used, this is the kind of stuff you want to check anyway. Okay, pretty simple, basic stuff, but you know, it's simple enough to check. Let's move on down the list.